Hi guys, so I have Happy Meal from Itiri, and Itiri has a YouTube channel called Itiri TV. She's a newer crafter. She's so sweet, and I think she is so funny, and I watch her channel. I watch all her hauls and all her videos, and she is hilarious. So if you guys are not subscribed to her, you need to go over there. And funny enough about all of this is that I thought of her because she is a new crafter and she's so sweet. She's very supportive. She writes so many comments, and we have never because she's not on Instagram, or she's not active on Instagram, she said. And so we've never chatted, just via comments, you know? And that's the nice thing about YouTube, is that you get to interact with so many people. But so I thought of her when I was sending out Boo Mail this year, because I made so many things for Halloween. I was having so much fun crafting. And so I thought of her and I sent her some Boo Mail surprise. And I know she's not a crafter, so I knew she wasn't really super familiar with it. And I just wanted to send her some stuff because I just love her channel. She's so fun. She's so positive. And crazy enough, she posted the reveal. This makes me laugh. She posted the reveal saying she was so mad at me because apparently the day that she went to mail me Happy Mail, she said it's a small thing. I don't know what's in this bag. Her P.O. box, she must have a private one. They told her that she had a package, and she said the package was from me. So she went to go mail me something, only to realize that I had beat her to it. And so our packages were crossing, you know. So the day that she recorded her video and posted, which I will put a link to in the description bar of the package, that her opening of what I sent to her. I don't think I even recorded a video of it, because I just it's stuff that maybe you have seen. Some of it I just put in there just thinking she's a new crafter. I gave her a new Crafty kit. Anyway, I'll put a link to it if you want to watch it. She's so funny. You're gonna love the video because she's hilarious. Tell her that I sent you if you go there, write a comment. But anyway, her package came shortly after. So let's see what's in here, you guys. And look at this, you guys. She sent me a page of an album. I love this collection. I have this collection. And man, how sweet. Oh my gosh, how sweet of her. So she said, I forgot to mention that I'm not active on Instagram, so please email me. So I did email her already, because she didn't know that I was gonna... She didn't know that I sent her stuff, so she must have made this ready to go. Holiday greetings to me. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, how cute. Look at this. This is so cute. This bear looks familiar. Did you get this card from Ollie's? Because I feel like I bought a tag with this. This is 3D. This is a button. So cute. I'm going to save him because I might make something out of this. I may pop him right off of here. I don't know. It's so cute. Yeah, it's just foam tape. This is how my brain is. And Itiri is always making fun of my brain. So she said, oh my gosh, she's so sweet. Okay, so it says, please accept this as an early Christmas gift. I think you mentioned on one of my videos that you like this 4x4 album. I hope you don't have it already. If you do, please feel free to pass it on to a crafty friend. I love watching your channel. You're so amazingly talented and have a beautiful personality. Never dull your light for anyone. You inspire me. I love all your creations. Itiri, and happy holiday season. Thanks for supporting my channel. She is so sweet. I don't know. I just think this is the thing about the crafty community, and Itiri, who is included in the crafty community, okay? Because when you buy craft stuff, whether you use it or not, you are a crafter, okay? Because that's what we do. We buy stuff. Now, whether or not we use it, that's a separate hobby, okay? Buying the crafting supplies is the hobby that we all have. And if you are in the crafting community, it is because you buy things that are crafty. Whether you use them or not, we do not judge over here, okay? So she got me this album, you guys. I don't want to open it. I want to leave it sealed. I was thinking about using this collection this year for my December daily. For my October daily. I always say December because I'm just used to years of saying December daily. But I was going to use this year. I was so back and forth. I was like, but I need to gather sheet number 2 of this collection. Is it sheet number? No, sheet number 1. This is what I need. If somebody wants to make my entire life, I'm going to tell you right now how to do it. I need sheet number 1, sheet number 2, and sheet number 8 from this collection. Now, those sheets are extremely hard to find because they just basically went out of production. And I'm like, Paige, I Paige Evans put something on Instagram saying like, hey, can we beg American Crafts to re-release this? Please. If anyone's watching this from American Crafts, re-release it. The people want paper. We can, and we love all the things, don't get me wrong, but the thing that we cannot find is paper, especially certain sheets. I pre-ordered this whole collection from Frank Garcia, only for them to email me when it was time to come out saying that half of my order was not coming to me. Okay. And half of it was like half of the sheets of paper. So I have painstakingly collected almost every sheet of this collection, except for, I believe, sheets number 1, 2, and number 8. And I hate that for me so much. I really do. One of the sheets is one that looks like this in white. I think that's sheet number 1. It looks like this in white. Do I have it? No, I do not. I do not have it because it is almost like extinct. It's not even extinct because it never existed. It's like, the only people that got it were like people who ordered from maybe a Cherry on Top. I don't even know if there was one retailer that had it that you could pre-order, and they were lucky and got some. And I don't even think it was them. I think the only people that might have that are people that went to the retreat, which got snowed in. It was like half of the people that were like, not half, but a lot of the people that bought tickets couldn't even go because their flights were canceled, but they still got their kits. If you are one of those people and you're like, hey, I have more than one of these and I want to make Lisa's entire life, and you want to send me those sheets of paper, I'll love you forever. I will. I promise. I promise. Because if I could I will buy them from you too. I do not need you to send them for free. I will pay for them. I will buy them from you because I would like to have this whole collection before I use this. That is my goal. So thank you so much, Iteria. I went on a whole rant. This is a sore subject for us here that have been here in the paper crafting community because we want Paige Evans paper. We love her. We love this collection. This is her first Halloween collection, and American Crafts did her dirty. That's it. That's all I have to say on that matter. So anyway, you guys, Iteria, thank you, girl. You didn't have to send me a Christmas gift. You're so sweet. You are so sweet. Man, how sweet is this? I mean, like, literally, look at this little bear. Okay, I can go on forever. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go over to Iteria and subscribe. She's hilarious. Watch the video of her opening my thing because when I tell you I was laughing, like, out loud laughing. She's so funny, that girl. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for listening to my rambling. Thank you for being here. You're the best. See you in the next one. Bye.